Okay, welcome back everybody. So few time I always come with the error. The error is the out of video memory. So the problem to that one is because if we go to our project setting and search in here for reflection. So as you can see right here, the reflection capture resolution is 2048. So we're going to scale it down or just put it like 500. I think it's better. So what it happened if we open the map, sorry, not this one. It has to be a map level for my, I think this one. Not this one, the other one. I mean, there you go. So this is come to like this because I think the project was intended to build in, not in like movie, but intended to really in the game project. So just I think we need to open again the project before we can open that one. You have to put the reflection of that 2000 into like 500. So let's bring it again here, go to edit, project setting, right here, search for reflect, and right here we can put it down like 520 and 12, I mean, and then we just need to save it. And after that we can open the gym asset. So as you can see right now, it's building. So the next thing you need to do is you have to build the reflection. Yep. So just we wait for building reflection and also I think shader. And because this one is the old project, the problem to this project is I have to assign like many material that I need to assign to this project. Yeah, so right here as you can see, yeah, the decal is not there, so I need to rebuild from the scratch. So I think that will I hope that is help you. So see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.